Another beautiful day at Cross Creek RV Park in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. This is the creek behind the bus. It's kind of going down a little bit, but it was up pretty high the last couple of days. We had tons and tons of rain when we came in Friday night. Today is July 9th and 2018. It's going to show you guys this beautiful creek. This RV park is absolutely amazing. Sorry the video is a little shaky, the ground is a little rough here, and I haven't gotten my knee surgery done yet, so I'm kind of wobbling around a little bit. Try to see if I can edit it. There's a stabilizer that's on YouTube. I'll try to see if I can get that to work. I had trouble with it last time, but we'll see. Anyway, you get an idea of this water. It's absolutely gorgeous. This creek goes all the way down through the one side of the RV park, and try to get the same spot, number 44, every time when we come here. Last couple of days I had a different spot that didn't have any real room behind it. This spot has a nice concrete pad, picnic table. My buddy Arnie lent me the Ford Explorer to use to go get ice and beer and other important things. The bus is right there. You can go around. There's a couple of stationary houses. Well, these were trailers that people had put here permanently. Take the wheels off, put them on blocks, you know, and they're right here on the creek. These are like prime spots. So everybody's got their little wood thing behind them. We have ours over there. And let's see. Our neighbor Tony catches a lot of nice fish, gives us fish. Fresh trout from the creek, the stream here when they put them in. North Carolina, they raise the fish and they put them in. I guess they're salmon or trout. I'm not really sure. I guess they're trout. I'm not really too big on fish, but anyway, that's Tony's house. He keeps it really, really nice. And there's the bus. 1990 Bluebird Wanderlodge sp36. It just celebrated its first birthday here. Got it last year. It's in pretty good shape. Just a little bit of fading of the paint around the roof. I'm going to take care of that. Got the awnings down on the sun side. And then we go around here. We're going to light the fire pit tonight or tomorrow night. Got the grill. Nice cement pad. The usual coolers, chairs, that kind of thing. But it's a great spot. Had a flat tire the other day leaving the house. Got very lucky with that. Had a guy come and change it. Got a new friend now that can do our tires right in my yard. So I'm going to go around here again. I hope I can stabilize this a little bit. I hate watching shaky videos myself, but we get around to the front of the bus. And I'll do a little scan of the rest of the park here. Pretty quiet today. There's not really anybody around. The mountains are gorgeous. There's houses up in those mountains it takes like an hour to drive to, which is pretty wild. But we're in Maggie Valley, which is actually a valley. So get a little bit of different rain, different effects here. It's another one of those houses. They're called park models. That trailer hitch is hidden by that lattice stuff in the front there. And they take the wheels off and they put the lattice around the whole thing, and it looks like a little house. They have slides like an RV. They put the slides out, and guys have trailers, fifth wheels they pull. And I think we're the only bus here. I haven't seen another bus. Everything else is a fiberglass plastic RV. There's a lot of advantages to a steel bus, safety wise. Anyway, it's a great spot. I like being over here by the creek. Let's see. We'll be here for another few days till Friday. Wow, wait a minute. Friday the 13th. Holy cow. All right. Well, it's been a lucky day for me, Friday the 13th. Never had any real problems. Got a lot of nice shade in this spot, which is great. So the awnings help on the sun side. And then we got shade there. But anyway, it's been a great bus. This is trip, I think, number 14 for this bus, and a little over a year. Okay guys, thanks for looking, and over and out.